Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am going to show you how to do these super quick and simple and so adorable gift card holders. I got this idea from the so amazing Terry Gaines. She is absolutely fabulous, and she shared this at an event that I attended this past summer, and I'm so excited to be able to use these for the holiday season, for gift cards to give as a hostess gift or a teacher gift or a grab bag gift, just anything. And it really spices up the gift card so much. Look how cute this is. When you pull the string up, the little greeting pops out as well as the gift card. How cute is that? And then you just slide it back in, which pushes that ribbon back down, and it's so cute. How amazing. And it is so simple, and that is the super fabulous part. So let's get started. First, we're gonna need, and this you can do either cardstock or paper. So you'll notice that for this one, I actually did cardstock in the background and designer series paper as the wraparound piece. This one, I did designer series paper in the background, and I did whisper white as the wraparound piece. So you can really play with that and go either way, depending on the decoration that you wanna do or the look that you're going for. So for this one, I'm going to do the Snowman one. So my designer series paper measures 2 inches wide by 8.5 long. And I scored that at 4 1/4. So now I'm going to bring in my scallop tag topper punch, and I'm gonna slide both of those in at the same time and punch. So now we have that fabulous little tag topper piece. And then next we're going to get a piece of Whisper White. This measures 2 3/4 by 5 3/8. And I scored it at 1.5 from either end. So 1.5 in this way and 1.5 in this way. And that creates that little belly band. I also added tear and tape on both of the inside flaps. So there's tear and tape all along this side and all along that side. And what I'm going to do is I want the designer series paper to be even side to side, and then I just want it just a hair hanging off, like a like a 1/4 inch or so hanging off down there at the bottom. I'm going to undo the tear and tape on this side and fold it closed. And then I'm going to undo the tear and tape on this side and fold it closed. This now secures it to that designer series paper and seals it closed. So you can see it's attached on this side, but it's actually not attached on that side. But that's okay, because that's how it's supposed to be. The inside card here, this measures 2 1/8 by 3 1/8. And this is that little insert that goes inside. So you can decorate that piece as you wish. And then I have 12 inches of our little, which is this not the cutest ribbon ever, this little curly red ribbon. And the best way to do this is to pop it through both of these holes. So there's even amounts on either side. And then I'm just going to open them up and slide that little card down in it, and it pushes the ribbon down. And then now I can just take a little bit of baker's twine. I just have, oh, it's up front here. Nope. I already took it out of the package. Here it is. Some Whisper White baker's twine, and you just want to wrap it around the ends here. I didn't go super close to the tag, so you want it just up a little bit, and wrap that around. You can either tie it into a knot or you can tie it into a bow, whichever way you prefer or whichever way is going to cause less stress for you, because we want stress-free holiday projects because the holidays are stressful anyway, so let's not add more chaos to it. And now I'm just going to trim my little white tails here and fray the ends of this fabulous curly ribbon, just because I think it just looks so super cute, all fluffed out, warm and cozy. Don't you think? Isn't that so cute? So now, of course, we have our front that we can decorate. We also can decorate that little card here. I did all my decorations with the Let It Snow suite using the embellishment kit as well as the washi tape from that kit, and then I used the stamp set. On the inside, I used that same stamp set to decorate there. Since you're putting your to and from here, I went ahead and filled this card, but you could also write on the back of that card too. So that is the amazing little gift card holder. This one uses the cup of cheer. And then on the inside it just says enjoy, and of course you can write everything on the inside there. And so you just slide it back in, push that ribbon all the way down, and you are golden. Isn't that so, so cute? Thank you so much to Terry Gaines for this amazing idea. You can of course check her out too to see all of her fabulous samples. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Be sure to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for more photos of these, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and enjoyed this, and if you plan on doing it for your gift card holders this holiday season. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Again, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.